Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Oscar, JuicyS3. Today we're gonna be installing and obviously removing my OEM catback for the Audi S3. This one already had a resonator delete, so we're gonna have to remove it from right here. Take it off from there. Remove the hangers, or if want to do things easy, you just take off those bolts on each side and just pop it off, and then just switch over to the other exhaust, which I will show you guys in a bit right now. But yeah, that's the project for today. Hopefully everything goes smooth, and I'll come back once I've removed that, and I'll show you guys what the new exhaust looks like. And yeah, pretty straightforward. So, unboxing the exhaust right now. It's an MBRP stainless steel exhaust with a Helmholtz resonator. These are very good to kill drone and actually make the car sound good. As you may know, the MQB platform does sound very raspy at times. This one comes with stainless steel outer diameter. I think they're like 4-inch to 3-inch inlet pipes, or tips, as many of you call them. Pretty nice. Should come with 2 mufflers as well. Some gorgeously built mufflers. They're very nice sounding in this car as well. So I really can't wait to install this and show you guys what it actually sounds like. I'm honestly hyped as hell, if I'm being honest. I haven't done anything on this car exhaust wise but resonator delete. So, and even then the resonator delete was already done in the car. So you guys can tell I'm really excited about this, and I really want to install this exhaust. See how it sounds. I know it's gonna make it sound a lot more throaty than it already does, because the OEM exhaust is taking a shit, pretty much. So pretty much the baffles inside the muffler are collapsing. So the car is really quiet right now, very restricted. So hopefully car feels better, runs better, and sounds better while looking. We're going to go ahead and put everything back under the lift. We're going to start taking the exhaust of the car, and I'll come back to you guys when I piece this together and I'm ready to put it in. This is actually what the exhaust itself looks like. It's the MBRP, like I said, the stainless steel with stainless steel tips. It's very well put. Looks pretty good, honestly. Now I gotta go and take that muffler off of it. Take the whole thing after the downpipe pretty much. Drop it, and then I have to start piecing this thing piece by piece, which should be fairly simple. But yeah, I'll show you guys the progress in a minute once I take that off. Like I said, it's just the hangers and where it connects to the downpipe with the 2 bolts, and that should be it. Okay, we got some progress on the exhaust. We took the OEM muffler off already. We installed the resonator section on it with the Helmholtz resonator. Right now we're getting towards the back where the mufflers go. Hopefully it'll sound good. I have high expectations for it. Put it on that hanger, install it on this one back here. Everything's going smooth so far. Crossing my fingers it's gonna be like that all the way to the end. I did have to remove that little bracket that goes in the middle of the exhaust on the OEM one, because it does not fit with this exhaust, so make sure you remove that. Okay guys, we're back. I just finished installing the exhaust on this car. I pretty much did offset tips on it, one deeper end than the other one, like a lot of people do in these cars. I have to say it looks pretty good. Obviously I still have to clean it up and everything, but this is what it looks like underneath. To the CTS Turbo 3.5 inch downpipe. Build quality wise, this exhaust is very well done. I would recommend it. I haven't started up the car, so we're gonna do that in a couple of minutes and see how it sounds, and let me know what you guys think. Does make the back look a lot more aggressive than with the OEM exhaust though, that's for sure. This is probably going to be a warm start since the car is not cold. Rev it a couple times, see what it sounds like when getting rev. Let me know what you guys think. I dig it. I dig it.
3 hours later.